So आज आम्ही स्टार्ट करूया the relation between alpha, beta and gamma. Relation between alpha, beta and gamma. So ମୁଁ ତମକୁ last class କହିଥିଲି alpha, beta, gamma are the three coefficient of expansion. Alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion, beta is the coefficient of superficial expansion, and gamma is the coefficient of cubical expansion. So let us find the relation between alpha, beta and gamma. Now, so ଆମେ relation alpha, beta, gamma relation पढ़िया पूର୍ବରୁ ଆମେ first time ମୁଁ last class discuss करथली you are having three types of expansion. One is called linear expansion, that is LT equals to L0 into 1 plus alpha t. Similarly, AT equals to A0 into 1 plus beta t. Similarly, Vt equals to, Vt means volume, at temperature T equals to V0 equals to 1 plus gamma and T. देखो LT है length of the rod at given temperature T. L0 is the initial length of the rod at room temperature or at initial temperature. And alpha is the, here written alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion. Similarly, AT is the real expansion at temperature T, and A0 is the expansion of area at initial temperature, and all of 1 plus beta t. T is the temperature difference, and beta is the coefficient of superficial expansion. Vt, volume at highest temperature or T temperature. V0 is the volume at initial temperature. 1 plus gamma and T. Here the gamma, this gamma is the coefficient of cubical expansion or volumetric expansion. Now we will find the relation between this alpha, beta and gamma. So how to find? To start from, you can use the formula this one. AT equals to A0 of 1 plus beta t. So AT equals to A0 into 1 plus beta t. Okay. Actually, area is always length square. Area means सबोले length रो square. Area माने सबोले length रो square है. So AT माने कितना हो? That is LT रो square equals to A0 माने हो L0 रो square whole of 1 plus beta T माने temperature difference, highest temperature minus lowest temperature T. ठीक अछि. Now मु तुमको कहिथिली LT माने हला केते कहिथिली L0 of 1 plus alpha t. तो LT बदला में एती पकेदवा केते L0 into 1 plus alpha t whole square equals to L0 square whole into 1 plus beta into t. तो if you expand में कितना आसियो L0 रो स्क्वायर हबो 1 plus alpha t रो स्क्वायर. Similarly, this L0 रो स्क्वायर हबो whole into 1 plus beta t हबो. This L0 square cancel हला और होइला बनाओ 1 plus alpha t whole square equals to 1 plus beta into t. And you can expand by simple formula a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So that 1 will be square, 1 square. Plus b square means alpha square t square. Plus 2ab, that is 2 alpha and t. This is equals to 1 plus beta into t. Here 1 square 1, here 1 will be cancelled out. Rahile banao alpha square t square plus 2 alpha t equals to beta into t. Listen here, alpha square is there. Suppose from the alpha is very small. Alpha is very small. The alpha square very small. The alpha square also very small. That is been neglected. The term is neglected. So here alpha square will be tends to 0. The whole will be केता आसीबो 0 आसीबो. तो रहिला बनाओ 2 alpha t equals to beta into t. So t cancels out. The remaining beta will be equals to 2 alpha. So this is the relation between superficial expansion and coefficient of linear expansion. This is the relation between coefficient of superficial expansion and coefficient of linear expansion. नोट को लिखो. तो हम पढ़ ले रिलेशन पढ़ ले कौन पढ़ ले बीटा इक्वल्स टू 2 अल्फा रिलेशंस पढ़ ले. तो बीटा इक्वल्स टू ट्वाइस ऑफ अल्फा. Similarly, I will find the relation between gamma and alpha. Find the relation between gamma and alpha. Actually, gamma है ला coefficient of cubical expansion or I may say volumetric expansion, and alpha ला coefficient of linear expansion. तो आमे दी गामा और अल्फा यदि रिलेशन फाइंड करिया तो आमे पहले दीरा विचो नबा कोन नबा गोटाला वॉल्यूम एक्सपेंशन और नबा लेंथ एक्सपेंशन linear expansion. Okay, now start from vt equals to vt means volume at finite temperature or this called t temperature. vt equals to कहता है v0 into 1 plus alpha 1 plus gamma into t. आप हमें कौन कन्वर्ट करिया वॉल्यूम एट टेम्परेचर t को हमें कौन कन्वर्ट करिया लेंथ कन्वर्ट करिया. सबले मन रखो एरिया माने हला लेंथ रो स्क्वायर एंड वॉल्यूम माने हला लेंथ रो क्यूब. डायमेंशन चेक करो लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ मींस l स्क्वायर एंड वॉल्यूम माने लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ इनटू हाइट मींस कोन हो l क्यूब हो. तो वॉल्यूम रो बिल्कुल फार्मूला हला v है volume and gamma is the coefficient of cubical expansion. So here v is the volume and gamma is the coefficient of cubical expansion. हेले मु तो बोले कहथिली वॉल्यूम इक्वल्स टू कोन कहथिले l क्यूब ना. That means what? Vt equals to your Lt cube and V0 equals to your L0 cube. You can use the value. Value पकड़ दियो. Vt माने ला Lt cube. इटे पड़ा Lt cube पड़ा. This is equals to V0 माने ला L0 cube and whole into 1 plus gamma and t. वो तो कहथिली Lt इक्वल्स टू कहथिली Lt इक्वल्स टू कोन कहथिली L0 into 1 plus alpha t कहथिली. तो Lt जगह रे आके पका दवा L0 into 1 plus alpha t. तो पका दियो L0 into 1 plus alpha t whole cube equals to L0 cube whole into 1 plus of gamma t. Okay, now if you expand this one, that will be how much? L0 cube whole into 1 plus alpha whole cube equals to L0 cube whole into 1 plus gamma and t. Here L0 cube cancels. So 1 plus of alpha t whole cube equals to your 1 plus gamma t. And if you expand a plus b whole cube formula कौन रहे? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab square plus 3ab square. A plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now you can expand by this methods. 1 plus alpha t. A plus b whole cube. Formula कौन रहे? A cube means 1 cube. Plus b cube means alpha t whole cube. Plus a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b, that is 3 1 row square means 1 3 1 square into alpha t plus 3ab square 3 into 1 into alpha t whole square 3ab square. This is equals to 1 plus of gamma t. This is the gamma. 1 cube 1 plus alpha cube t cube plus 3 alpha t plus 3 alpha square t square equals to 1 plus gamma t. Mother कहଥିଲି alpha is very small. Alpha is very small. Very small. So that alpha square is neglected and alpha q is also neglected. Neglected means tends to 0. देखो r will order 10 power minus ratio order. ये alpha square means that will be very small हो. ये alpha cube means very small हो. That will be neglected. That term is neglected. So the alpha square and alpha cube tends to 0. That is alpha square tends to 0 and alpha cube tends to 0. So here alpha square is there. This will tends to 0. The whole term will be 0. This term will be 0. And here also alpha cube. It is alpha cube achi. So here be whole term 0. So ରହିଲା କ'ଣ 1 plus 3 alpha t equals to 1 plus gamma and t. So this 1 will cancel. So that means how much here? 3 alpha t equals to gamma t. T cancels. So gamma equals to your 3 of alpha. Note करो. So हमें पढ़ले beta equals to 2 alpha and gamma equals to 3 alpha and alpha is the alpha. And if you find alpha, beta, gamma, if you put it alpha is to beta is to gamma, that will equals to 1 is to 2 is to 3. So this is the relation between alpha, beta and gamma. Okay. So these are all about the relation between alpha, beta and gamma. That is equals to 1 is to 2 is to 3. And next class पढ़िया a special expansion that is called anomalous expansion. अब next class पढ़िया anomalous expansion. अब next class पढ़िया आज ये था class next class पढ़िया.